We really love Thai food, not just tom yum. Today we'll show you how to cook a classic Thai chicken coconut soup. Let's get cooking and bring Thailand into your kitchen. Wash the mushrooms under running water. Gently remove the stems, then thinly slice the mushrooms and set them aside. Take the boneless chicken breasts, then thinly slice and set aside. Peel the garlic cloves and finely chop them. Trim the lemongrass stalks, then gently bruise them to bring out the fragrance. Get the red chillies and slice them. Remove the seeds if you don't want it over spicy. Then grate the ginger to release its aroma. Bring the water to a boil, then add the stock cube. Squeeze the limes and set the juice aside. Heat the oil in a large saucepan over medium heat, ready for cooking. Add the garlic, ginger and lemongrass, cooking until fragrant for about 4 to 5 minutes. Pour in the stock and let it simmer gently. Add the chicken slices and cook for about 10 minutes. Stir in the coconut milk, mushrooms, lime juice, fish sauce, sugar, and chilies until well combined. Simmer gently for another 5 minutes. Do not boil, as this may split the coconut milk. Stir in the seasoning powder and taste to see if the seasoning needs adjusting. Ladle into bowls, garnish with fresh coriander, and serve with extra lime wedges and chopped chilies. It smells amazing and looks so delicious. We like to add a bit more lime juice for an extra tangy kick. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your Thai coconut chicken soup and happy cooking.